Hi, welcome back to Talk Jamaican. I hope you have gotten your copy of Talk Jamaican by Joan Williams from Amazon.com already, and you are following these videos, sharing with your friends, and you have subscribed. Remember, I do a commentary in Jamaican patois, and then I give you an overview in English. So stay with me. Me say, one thing we Jamaican love, enough excitement. Guess what excitement we have now? Lord Master, the chief of the Maroon them in a compound. No say him for him a compound place our sovereign state. Then that no sound like a king him want turn. We are trying to get rid of Queen Elizabeth, but it sound like him want turn king of the Maroon. What a precke. Then guess what? Me want to know now. If they say a compound a sovereign state, what going to happen with Charlestown Maroon, Scots Hall Maroon, and Moortown Maroon? Him a go bring together everybody and him a go turn king of the Maroon. Lord, man, so I can't wait to see this excitement. A serious thing there, no? Me go for my favorite Maroon town Upper Moortown. Lad up there pretty, you see it right in the middle of the Blue Mountain, and it had the real cobra around beside it. It's nice, and the people them up there calm and nice. But he look like Mr. Currie, him not so calm at all. Him look like him thinks say him and Kojo a family. Remember say Kojo was the leader of the Maroon, where the British them have to sign peace treaty with the guy must have bust them ass. Yeah. So Mr. Currie, him now, him a dress up like a revolutionary and a chat about Maroon, a compound, a sovereign state, and them are indigenous people and all sort of thing. Master, the next thing you go see, and him a go come with the abeng. You ever see the abeng at one cow horn, the Maroon them used to talk to them one another. Next thing you go see him come with the abeng and say him a call up all Maroon for turn revolutionary. A serious thing there, they take it make joke. But I know no joke at all, because see they did have one violence up in their compound place the other day when they had a celebration. One man get killed, and whole but people get injured. So me no know where him, Mr. Currie, him a go on with all say for him foolishness. But me have to say, if you like the Maroon place them, you better go there before anything happen, and the next thing you hear say you need visa to go there. You remember 2 years ago them did say they had their own money, then called it the Lumi. But me go down there since that I make you see no Lumi, but all the same, you don't know. Anyway, me a wait to hear what happen, because see a man look like say him the pan one sin thing to go create some problem. So we watch it, but we don't want no more violence in Jamaica. What good. In the previous segment, I was commenting on recent developments in the Maroon community. The Maroons are people who fought for their freedom after the Spanish slave masters left Jamaica. They fought a war against the British, and they defeated the British, and they were given ancestral lands. But a new, apparently revolutionary young leader is saying that his Maroons want sovereignty. In other words, they want to become a sovereign nation, probably have a king. And I'm wondering if he plans to become, or he's trying to become, the king of the Maroons. There are 4 Maroon settlements in Jamaica: Charlestown, Scots Hall, and Moortown. So Mr. Currie is the head of the compound Maroons, but is he going to be able to unite the other Maroons and become king or leader of them all? Only time will tell. I am just hoping that this situation, which seems to arise from his Richard Currie's crave for power, does not become a violent situation, because Jamaica has enough problems. We really don't need any more. Well, good.